this tutorial is to walk you through Lab 4-5 on how to use Python code and nested if-else decisions. It's the same program that we've been working with. In the first part of this lab, we'll walk you through how to structure your program. So you'll have a main, essentially you can start with this code here where you'll have a main function that'll get the sales. And then I've included the names of your other functions, so you can just start with that setup. Now, where your nested decisions are going to come into place are in the store bonus and the employee bonus area. So inside of main, what you're going to want to do is continue on here with additional calls, ensuring to pass the appropriate values back if necessary, and the appropriate arguments into function calls or module calls if necessary as well. So for every module you'll have different calls. You'll have one for get increase, one for store bonus, one for employee bonus, and one for print. Now when you get down to your nested decisions, and again you'll have to include variables that you need inside of this, such as monthly sales will be needed in order to determine the store bonus. How nested decisions work in Python is similar to how your single decisions or your unary decisions work, where you have a question such as, whereas monthly sales are greater than or equal to 100,000, what we would do in this case is set store amount to 6,000. When you finish that and you hit enter, you have to tab back to nest up or to match up your elif, which is your else if condition, and this would be your second amount. So if that's greater than or equal to 100,000 colon, then store amount is equal to 5,000. Now again, you'll just continue this process until you hit all of the amounts, ensuring that you tab back so that your tabs are aligned. And then as you finish this out, when you get to the last condition, we're just going to write an else statement, and that would be, else colon, and that would be your store amount is equal to 0. You're going to continue, or you're going to follow the same type of structure for your employee bonus, where you have an if, elif, and then else if that's appropriate. Now in both of these modules, as you're following the directions, you're going to return the store amount or the emp amount, which is the employee bonus amount as well.